Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about this navbar. You can see that different options displaying here in a menu: logout, dashboard, register and login. I want to discuss with you when user is logged, then logout and dashboard link should display and register login should be hide. When user is not logged, when session of user is destroyed, then logout dashboard option should be hide and register and login should be display. For that reason, what I have to do, open this index.php file. I want to say that these two options should be displayed only to logged user. For that reason, I have to write a PHP code in which I will say that when session is active, means if it's set session as I created on the time of login, u_id, when this session is active, then what I have to do, I want to display these two link and close its curly braces after these two option, these two link. So these two link should be displayed when session is active, and these two links should be displayed when session is not active. I want to say that else part. In the else part, close this curly braces at the end of this login link. Now just try. You can see that register login, but here should display dashboard and logout. What is error? Error is that I want to check whether session is active or not. For that reason, I have to use a session start method. Session start. When you want to use a session variable in any part of the program, you have to start session at the top. Just refresh, you will see that logout dashboard link are displaying because session is active of any user. When logout, it moved to login.php page. Then when I move back, you will see that register and login link are displaying here. So when I log in again, password. Now you can see that logout and dashboard link displaying because user is logged user and its session is active. So when I open this dashboard, so I have to do one work more. I want to make this page secure, and also all the page should be secure. Without login, user should not be access any page. For example, you are posting and I want to all underscore posting, but sorry, not posting, it is a all post, sorry, all post. You will see that I am not admin, but I am accessing that page. So this type of security we have to develop in our application. I have to write a code in which when user is active, another example I want to give you, create a post. So when I log out, so user is not a logged user. A session of user is destroyed. When I refresh this one, you can see that page generating some error. I want to say that this page, for example, you are posting and all posting, profile, edit, create post, all these pages that are existed in dashboard, I want to make that page secure one. So I want to say that without login, user should not be accessed for this page. For that reason, what I have to do, when user try to access this page that are present in dashboard folder, so we will redirect that user to login page. First you have to log in, then you will be able to access any page that are present in dashboard folder. For example, you are posting, all posting, editing, create posting, deleting, editing, any other page should be accessible to any user that is a logged user. Without login, you cannot access any page. For that reason, what I have to do, I have to write a code for that one. At the first page is all underscore post. I want to say that uh, after session method, this is a code. You can see that if session is not active, it means that when user is not logged user, because when user is logged user, its session should be active. I want to say that if session is not active of a user, then what you have to do, you have to send that user or move that user to login.php page. Else, if session is active, then what you have to do, you have to apply this code, start curly braces, and at the end I want to close its curly brace. So I want to say that when session is active, then what you have to do, you have to display each and everything to user, but when session is not active, then redirect that user to login.php page. Just copy this code and paste in every page which you want to make secure. This should be after session method, and then close that curly braces at the end of else part curly brace, and then open block underscore single. I want to leave this one. Make create underscore post also secure one, and close its curly brace at the end. Dashboard, I want to make this also secure, close its curly brace at the end. Also close its curly brace at the end. Del underscore user. I want to make this page secure. Edit. Close its curly brace at the end. Edit user by admin. So I want to make these pages secure. Without login, user cannot access these pages. Top bar user profile setting. Just to close this curly brace at the end. So I want to make secure all the pages. You are posting. Also close this one at the end. So each and everything is okay. Now I want to try. When I refresh, so as I am not active user, I am not logged user, I want to access this one. Just refresh. I move to login.php page. Refresh, move to login.php page. This is security. When a user want to access any private page, that page that are present in dashboard folder without login, then we will redirect that user to login.php page. First login, then we will provide access.